Parts of body and their uses. Hello friends, my name is Peter. I will tell you about parts of our body. The main parts of our body are head, neck, chest, belly, arms and legs. The eyes, ears, nose and mouth are important parts of a head. Do you know why we have a neck? Neck helps us to turn around so that we can look at everything around us. Neck joins the head and torso. The parts of torso are chest, abdomen, belly and back. Forearm, wrist and hand are the main parts of an arm. Palm and fingers are parts of hands. Our hands and arms help us to eat, write, play, carry things, throw a ball, etc. Thigh, knee, skin, calf, ankle and foot are the parts of legs. Heel, sole and toes are parts of a foot. Legs are to kick the football, to walk, to run, to skip, to jump, to cycle, etc. We have learnt about the parts of our body and function. Let's have a quiz.